Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Space Engineers. I don't think I have anything planted in the farm, but I should probably go check, because they'll probably die if I don't, because I haven't um, been in the farm while working on the ship, really. So, let me check. Yeah, from the door, it seems there's nothing planted. Okay, cool. All I have is vegetable seeds. No, I have plenty of seeds, because I've been converting. Every time I harvest, I make sure I convert at least 11 seeds, so I'm gaining one seed every harvest. So, there's that. All right, and then it is dark. Forget it. We're going to fix that. I don't like dark videos as much as anyone else. So let's bring the sun. All right. Now, let me show you what I've done and what I don't like. All right. I have made some thrusters. I actually modified a blueprint I had, which I think I've used before, but let me pull it up and I'll show you. H. Hydro. Why? I type in H. It should have brought up everything with the letter, starting with the letter H first. This is the one I pulled up first. It is very nice. It is well packed, and it works very well. As you can see, it's got nice disbursement, but I cut it in half and did a little modifications to it to make it a little more suitable for my purposes. But after getting partially done here, I realized, wow, this channel that you go through is extremely small, and this is way too bulky. So I'm going to have the build and repair remove these. So I got to turn off these because they were projecting. Yes, I used two projectors. So I got a projection here and a projection up there to do it. Let me switch to paint. There we are. I need the pink. And then I believe I can do that and get a good portion. That. Yeah, that's acceptable. And if it weren't for the fact that this is so heavy, I would say it would be very easy to just, you know, have it all removed all at once. But it will blow things up. There's no hydrogen in it, but it will blow things up. So I'll get this removed, and I'll take my grinding ship to help speed up the process as well. And see you all then. All right. Here is what I came up with. It is just the projection right now. So let me turn on the build and repairs and get this started. Helps if I know what grid I'm accessing. There we are. And now I might change this a little bit, but I am not sure. Let's see, that should be a battery it's building. One hydrogen tank. All right, let me go see if I can grab some components, which I should have done. Do, 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 do. Running out of stuff so fast. All right. Back to the weld. Back to the welding. Coming over. Now, the colors are all wrong on this, so I will have to fix that. And I'm out of components again. The steel plates go by so fast. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, I have it completely built, I believe, and I painted it so it looks better. I do believe I need to do something with this because that does not look all that good. But that gives us some decent maneuverability because as this is it's a, I labeled it as RCS, which is rotational control system, RC, something like that. I don't know the actual acronym right now, but that gives us 3 more engines, and this will be on all 4 sides. So that's 12. 3 times 4, 12. Ah, math. You are the bane of my brain. All right. Let me go and give you a little walkthrough. We have blocked off everything. That's what we did. There's a battery in here behind that. And no, battery's right there. And we have 2 gyros. 1 hydrogen tank with the new type, because new type's cool. And yeah, I will repeat this around, and then not sure I like how this is going in. There might be a better way of doing this. Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full. What is... No. I think I had the right one there for... Then we go to 5. No. What might work better is going to 6. My brain is not processing well. If I do... I don't... Is there something I can use for there? I doubt it. Let's go... Fuel low. Of course. All right, I think I got it integrated well. I did a bunch of changes just so that it will actually fit to the aesthetic of the ship, but it is looking like it will be decently protected. So when I add it on the other 4 sides, I just have to repeat and figure out how to smooth this transition out. And I need to move my landing gear and my docking area. Oh, where should I put that? Because that's not going to work anymore. Where is the turret? Turret is this block, so that's... All right, so that's 1 block forward from there. Huh. The turret would line up. So, can I get it to fit? Is the question. And then I'll change the turret to be a connector instead. And then we can connect it up and remove all the landing gear and get the other two sides done. Let's see if we can do that. I need to turn off the build and repair again. Static grid. Build and repairs off. Projector. And you remove the blueprint. I hate that it kicks you out when you do that. So, I think we'll need that to be +3. And no, this one stays. And we need to change that to there. Right? Let me have a look at this. Yes. No. It is still on the wrong spot, orientation. Because I did not adjust the... Okay, now pitch can stay. Roll would need to be flipped. Okay. Yeah, that looks right.
Fuel low. Fuel critical.
Yeah, and then we need to go... There. All right, I got the bottom one built. And now I also changed that out for a connector so we can lower this down and attempt to see what happens. Lifting pistons. All right, we want to lower... All right, and then just go into here. Lock. Then we'll just take out these landing gear.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
There we go. That means we can remove those pistons, and we are backed to being attached to the vertical launch mechanism.
Inventory full.
We'll do it the easy way so I don't have to deal with it. Pink, pink, pink. Paint it all Pepto pink. Oh, I need to get some food, apparently. Ooh, I think I'm going to have to start making more food. Let's see, what can we do? What fills us up the most? That gives me 51. The pasta gives me the most. Let's go with dumplings. Oh, yeah. Now it's connected again. All right. We're all connected back up to here. Then I am going to have to redo that. But we need to remove these.
Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full. Inventory full.
And get our projector to project it on the left and the right at the proper angles. Build and repair systems need to go back off. Then we need to find the projector again. Projector. We turn you back on. And we need a 90. Okay. Let's go down there and see what we're doing. Okay. We're facing the wrong way is what we're doing. Let's just zero it all out. Vertical, we need the horizontal. All right. So we need to spin it around. This is what they don't show you normally on the YouTubes. That's that way. I don't know if that's the right way. No. Okay, so it's got to be this one. Now, where did it end up? Okay. That is proper. And then it goes 1, 2,
Inventory
3. All right, and then it needs to go. Not right in. That should be the exact spot it's supposed to be at.
Inventory full.
And that
Inventory
needs to
full.
be removed. I think that's all I have to remove to build it. Because those are that. Okay. Let's go ahead and put the build and repair back on. And I will see you when I get the other side done as well. All right. Well, it is almost 3 o'clock in the morning for me, so I'm going to have to call this here, and I will get this finished up. All this section, not the whole ship. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.